What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Super Jason, and we are here with the Buffalo Bills versus the Philadelphia Eagles, 2023 week 2. You know what? Fuck it, bro. Y'all know what it is. Man, oh man, I don't even know what to say, bro. Why can't none of us teams beat the Eagles? Huh? Bill fans, bro, y'all are. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. If you're a Bills fan, you're gonna be so angry in this video. I'm just saying this right now. Eagle fans, bro, I'll get to y'all in a minute. Oh my goodness, bro.
As the Bills have 2nd and 4, they bring in Ty Johnson.
I'm not even gonna say nothing. There's nothing to say about this. Well, there is a couple things I need to say. Viewers, I just want y'all to let you know, bro. I really don't feel like doing this video. It is fucking cold outside. I'm finna get mad in this video as well. And they try to do the quarterback sneak on y'all. Eagle fans, y'all gonna take that? Well, y'all really gonna take that? I can't believe they did the quarterback sneak. Yes, and I did see the game. I know who won this game, bro. I'm not gonna say nothing, viewers. I'm just gonna let y'all know that. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm not gonna say nothing. I'm gonna let all y'all other fans that didn't watch the game, I'm gonna let y'all see for yourselves.
It's a tough call in the defense. You don't want to give up the first down, but offensively, just
the defense, the Eagles' defense wasn't that great. I'm not gonna lie. It was not too great. It was decent, but not. And the Eagles got they got the Kellen Green on y'all. They got the Kellen Green on the Buffalo Bills, bro. They know they confident. Eagles, y'all are confident, huh? Y'all confident, huh? Y'all feeling good. 9-1. Y'all feeling really good. Okay. We're gonna keep it rolling. Okay, Eagles. Y'all confident as fuck. Confident neck asses. Some of y'all viewers in my couple videos were saying Gainwell, he's good. They didn't even put in DeAndre Swift, and he got 9+ fucking. No, he got more than that. Bill fans, bro, Buffalo. Y'all finna see what's gonna happen, bro. Look at that quarterback sneak. Look, quarterback sneak. Guess what's gonna happen again? Guess what's gonna happen? Before y'all Eagle fans, bro, shut up for 1 minute, okay? Just shut up for 1 minute. I'm not hating on this brotherly shove. I think it's a good play. It's automatic. I mean, you can't stop it. That's the Eagle specialty, bro. Y'all Eagle fans saying that, I know Eagle fans that a lot of people are hating on y'all brotherly shove. I honestly don't. I mean, if they can do it, so can other teams, but they just can't do it because they're ass at it. Automatic first down or automatic touchdown. What I mean, you can't stop that.
Touchdown, Philadelphia.
I'm not gonna lie, the Eagles Kellen Green uniform, they look fire as fuck. They look fire as fuck, bro. But Eagle fans, don't take that as a compliment. Don't take that as a compliment.
Now he's looking for Diggs. Nice catch. Stefan with the grab.
Great coordinators like that, great guys like that. That system.
Man, it's fucking cold outside.
2nd and 2. They've got the first down as Kincaid makes the catch. With about 3 or 4 yards to spare.
I'll do the rest of the reaction videos tomorrow, bro. Or in the morning, bro. I don't feel like doing all the reaction videos because I'm getting tired. Bills are 6-5. The Buffalo Bills just blew out the no good Jets, bro. They lost to the damn Broncos. The Buffalo Bills, they're shaky, bro, but they're not that good. I'm sorry, Bill fans, bro, but y'all are not good. Not that good. 6-5? Y'all were struggling against the damn Giants. Y'all struggle against the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. What makes y'all, Bill fans, what makes y'all think y'all was actually gonna, what makes y'all think that y'all was actually gonna have a chance against the Eagles? I don't, erase that erase that, bro. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. This was a good game. I'll give y'all a hint. Let's get this video over with, bro.
48 yards for Tyler Bass. Kick is long enough, and it is good. A.J. Brown has not caught a ball. Again, coming off a very quiet.
Some of y'all viewers were saying that I cussed or whatever too much, but like I really look at that intercepted. Now what happened? Now this was a good play by the defense a little bit, bro. It was a tip ball. Yeah, it was a tip the ball, bro. See, it was tipped. It was tipped. It was tipped. It's not on Jalen Hurts, but it was tipped. Intercepted.
That is the Bills with a takeaway, number 20 on the season. Terrell Bernard ends up with it. Will it just be a field goal attempt, or can they extend? Allen from the pocket. On the run.
Good catch.
Target inside the 10.
Good catch.
That's Gabe Davis with the catch. And first and goal from the 9.
Quarterback's legs.
He's got it. Straight ahead he goes, and he powers.
And Josh Allen got that, bro.
I mean, it's like we haven't.
I'm just gonna say this: the Buffalo Bills were giving the Eagles a hard time, bro.
Watch Von Miller.
I'm not gonna make this video long, bro. I'm not gonna make it long.
We talked about it last week. Still getting.
I'm getting mad watching this video right now. I'm getting mad watching this game. Look at that. The defense was locking up Hurts, bro. See, this is what. My God, bro. Bro, this is what I'm saying, bro. You gotta lock up Jalen Hurts, bro. You gotta lock him up. You gotta put pressure on Jalen Hurts. You gotta make him have the jitters. The Bills' defense was doing good.
Good time for Allen.
They had good catch. Good throw.
All the way out near the 40-yard line. They take Diggs off the field. He's not in. 3rd and 9. Pass.
Josh Allen, bro. What the fuck made you throw this, bro? First and foremost, what made you throw this? He's covered. He's not catching this ball. It was not no pass interference, but just good ass fucking defense. Stop it. And this is coming from a Cowboys fan. I know.
But it's not for much.
Even though I hate the Eagles, bro, but like still though, like, can we make the game fair?
They need 6 for a first here. Allen got it away, and it's
good throw.
Oh, it looked like for sure they would get to Allen, and Diggs takes a seat on the bench. 2nd and 2.
Got to be a legend to throw your last pass.
Here's the pass.
Wow.
That's Gabe Davis hanging out on the sideline inside the 10-yard line. Here's the 3rd and goal, 16 yards away, and it's in.
The fuck is going on with the Bills? What the fuck are you doing, Allen?
Hit him with the promo.
Here's the kick. Pass. Oh, wow.
Oh my God, bro. Bills, bro. Bills, dude. What the fuck are they doing? What the fuck are y'all doing? What the fuck? What's going on? I didn't see this. That's right. I didn't see the second quarter really. Me and my grade was going back and forth watching. We was watching the Browns versus the freak.
Here's the pass back to Shakir.
Look at that, easy.
Stays inbounds for an extra yard or two. A first down for the Bills. Need to get to the 20 for a first. Pump fakes the deep ball. Instead, hits the
the fuck bro? Bills. Why the fuck can you not get these third downs, bro? Move the damn chains. You're in the red zone. Y'all choking.
Fender in the back. That was Ricks on Davis. His last one was blocked. Good from 48 earlier. This kick.
He got it.
Sailing, and it's going to be wide right.
I know this dude did not. I know this motherfucker did not just miss this. Viewers, please tell me I did not just see that. I know this dude did not just miss another field goal. I know you did not just. I know you didn't miss this. Your ass. You know that, field goal kicker? Your ass as fuck. Okay, your ass. You're just plain ass. You're just plain ass. Your ass. Yo, bro.
There you go. Swift taken off.
DeAndre fucking Swift, bro. There's nothing you can do about that.
3rd and 2. Keeps it. Throws it. Caught. Stole. Down to the 4-yard line.
Should have been 20 points, bro. Should have been 20 fucking points, bro.
Goes to the end.
Easy, bro.
A.J. Brown for the touchdown.
They were all over the inside run. This whole drive was the adjustment of this Philly staff. You got 5 O linemen, 4 D linemen. If this guy stays out of the box, you can run.
He's going to keep it. He's going to have the first down as he is dragged down by Morrow. Super Bowl 52 to help squelch the comeback attempt for the Patriots. 1st and 10. Shaking off the sack.
Oh, that was nice. That was nice.
He's got open room, and Cook is finally shoved out at about the 27-yard line. And again, that play in part due to the fact that Josh Allen just cannot come down with one arm on him. Ty Johnson on this 2nd and 6. It goes to Johnson. Oh, he slips through a tackle. Looked like he was going to be stopped for a short gain. He got another first. Sets up a 3rd and 11.
They've been great on 3rd and long today.
Here they come blitzing. Stepping up. Going to try to run for it.
Oh my gosh! Oh my lord! Oh, that was nice! That was nice! That was nice! That was nice! I'm not gonna lie, that was nice! That was nice!
He sidestepped Blankenship and has rushed for his 2nd score today.
Get to those edges because they can't.
24-14.
And stop them.
And 2nd and 6. Got hit when he threw it, but open is Smith.
Why the fuck is he open? Why the fuck he's open? Why the fuck he's open? Why is he open? Why is he open, bro? Seriously, he's open. Wide open.
Catch of the afternoon.
Pause.
Thursday night football on Prime. It's on. Thursday night football.
Cowboys versus Seahawks. But that's not the video. That's not what we're talking about.
Thursday night football only on Prime.
Where'd you learn to serve?
Oh, I didn't serve, but if your spouse, parent, or grandparent served in the military, you can join USAA.
Yeah, my grandpa did. So I'm already in, but I was talking about your serve.
Oh.
USAA for the military community.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Floyd. Hurts is going to run. Pressure coming in by Floyd. Hurts is going to.
You are a clumsy ass motherfucker, number 25.
Run for it.
Can't even fucking tackle Jalen Hurts, bro. And Jalen Hurts is not even running that fast.
There's only one guy back at safety.
Jalen Hurts is me when I'm late, when I'm about to be late for my class that I don't want to go.
Right there with the with a touchdown.
Of course they get a touchdown. Jalen Hurts is running just like when I knew I was running late for class. That fucking shit. Allen, man, bro. Allen, this was the bro. Josh Allen intercepted this, bro. Yeah, I remember this. He intercepted this, bro. Allen, bro, you have to be the most turning over machine in this whole league, bro, right now. Y'all Eagle fans want to talk shit about Dak Prescott be throwing picks. Bro, look at Josh Allen. Everybody, if you're watching this, Josh Allen, that's his 13th pick. He's thrown 13 picks. Along with I think Sam Howell for Washington got 13 interceptions. Are we serious? No wonder the goddamn Buffalo Bills are 6-5. He be turning balls over. Pause, but you know what I mean. He's forcing it. Why are you forcing it? That's why they lost to the goddamn Patriots. They lost to the freaking to the Denver Broncos. They lost to the who else did they lose to? They lost to the Jets in week 1. Then they lost to the Jaguars, all because Josh Allen be throwing picks. Bill fans, stop making excuses for him. Josh Allen needs to be disciplined. I knew he was going to throw an interception while I was watching this game. I knew it. He should have threw 2. You can't throw Josh Allen, do you not know who you're playing against? It's the 4th quarter, 12 minutes, crucial time, and you want to throw a pick? Your field goal kicker missed 2 field goals. Y'all was in the red zone struggling. Y'all looked like y'all was struggling. Y'all got to score. This Eagles defense is not that great, man. That's their weakness. You got Eagle fans even admitting that their secondary is not so good. They just admitted it, bro. But their offense is super damn good. And you want to turn over the ball? Read the defense, man. Damn.
2nd and 8. He's picked off.
Seriously, man.
With the interception.
Easy field goal, bro. What is the Bills doing?
Here's a 3rd and 15. Hurts looking for his second option. Pointing, planting, firing. To
Good
the
defense. And what? I can't believe it wasn't even. You want to know something? This is not even DeAndre. It's not even AJ Brown or DeAndre or It's not even AJ Brown or Smith. I don't know who the fuck number 13 is. Viewers, tell me who he is. How the fuck did he catch this? Second of all, how did Jalen Hurts even get this ball off? You're telling me right now they got this on 3rd down and 15? 3rd down and 15, man. You're making the Eagles look like the New England Patriots. I didn't know so Eagle fans, what is it now? We are gonna start. Should I start calling y'all the New England Eagles? Is Jalen Hurts Tom Brady? The Eagles are playing like the New England Patriots. They got these teams making them look so like the New England Patriots, bruh. They can be beat. They're 9-1. They lost to the goddamn Jets, bro. I don't want to hear it. Let me calm down, bruh. It's cold outside. It's fucking cold outside right now, bruh.
This game and the next game. Otherwise, they're under 500 in December. Here's the throw down the middle. He's got.
Gosh, man. How do you beat the Eagles, bruh? How do you beat these guys? Tell me. Somebody tell me how do you beat the Eagles, bruh?
Backpedals to the 30.
How do you beat the... Look at this.
He's not going to get away this time. Brandon Graham got to him first.
Every time the Eagles... Bro, they literally... If you guys did not watch the game, though, the commentators were saying that the Eagles... They've been... Every time they were down by, like... Okay... They were saying that the Eagles were down by a couple of points and they always come back up. When they went against Washington, Washington had them down 14-3, and then when Kansas City, when they went against Kansas City, though, Kansas City had them down to 17-7. Now the Bills just had them down 17-7, bro. Y'all can't clamp up the Eagles. You can't clamp up Jalen Hurts too. You need to shut him down. I know he was getting shut down, but you gotta shut the Eagles down all the way.
He's right up here. We'll see if he turns it on. This is about the time of year where.
And you want to know something? Y'all want to know something very interesting? Y'all Eagle fans know it. These Eagles had not kicked a field goal in like a couple of games. They scored 4 straight touchdowns. Not right now. They have not scored no field goals. They didn't score no field goals against Kansas City. They didn't score no field goals against the Cowboys. Bruh, you're telling me none of these teams can't even hold them to a goddamn field goal? Ridiculous.
They're going to need him. It's been close once today.
But y'all know what I mean, bro. The Eagles I don't think they scored a field goal in their couple of games. They haven't. They've been scoring touchdowns. Literally all touchdowns. I'm trying to think. Did they score a field goal? I'm trying to think. Did they score a field goal? They did not score. They beat the my Cowboys 28-23. They didn't score no field goals. They beat the Kansas City. They beat Kansas City 21-17. It's 28-24. You telling? Are you serious right now? Are y'all serious?
Tony, they would drop to 10th in the AFC.
What I'm saying is that none of these teams, this is the third good team they went against. You're telling me none of the other teams have hold them to a field goal? I just realized that. I know the Eagles are good, but goddamn.
Murray straight ahead. Slips through tackles, and Tony, that's 3 straight runs.
Look, Eagle fans, bro, Eagle fans, I'm not trying to hate, bro. I'm trying my best not to hate, bro, but as a Cowboys fan, I gotta talk my shit, bro. I gotta talk my shit, bro. I know y'all gonna disagree with what I say. Y'all gonna say I don't know shit, but like, hey, at the end of the day, bro, this is just entertainment, bro.
Over 300.
I'm just saying, I'm just trying to point out the facts. And y'all know it too.
Middle to the 12-yard line. It's 3rd and 4. Down 4. There's the pass up top.
That was a good throw. That was a good touchdown. Good pass by Josh.
This is a very challenging defense structurally.
Okay. Viewers, it's 31-28. They need a field goal, right? Watch what happens. Watch what happens. Watch this bullshit.
Able to go up top, and the ball is caught.
Bills, all y'all have to do is keep the Eagles from getting into field goal. Y'all gotta make Jalen Hurts feel more pressure. I know it's hard, but y'all gotta come with it.
Good job with the hands by Brown. First and 10.
They kept on letting Jalen Hurts creep more and more yards. Look at this at the 50-yard line. Look at this.
These guys inside will be tighter.
2nd and 4. Pass to Smith, and they're in field goal range. 2nd and 15. It's right there for him, Tony. You saw it.
Look at that. Jalen Hurts, you're not going nowhere, bro.
Oliver crashed in on him.
Good job not being up here, no screens. If there's a screen, it'll be outside. Oh, there's quarterback's legs right up the middle.
There's Hurts, and they stopped.
Okay, so what happened is it was 2 false. So what happened is the referees called 2 false starts in a row against the Eagles, I think. So it pushed them back. I think it was 1 or 2 false. It was definitely 1, but I think it was 2 in a row.
Just Flynn.
I wouldn't have called that, bro. It's 3rd down and 17.
Hurts from the pocket, throws, and it's knocked
Good
down.
defense. Look at that. That's good defense. Now, viewers, look what now. It's a 59-yarder, right? You Bill fans, y'all think that he ain't gonna make it, right? Y'all wrong. Y'all fucking wrong.
Oh, here we go. Go ahead.
Look at this.
59
Of
yards.
course, the Eagles are gonna clutch this. Of course, they're gonna clutch this. Look at that.
Is good.
Oh, what a
Oh my God, the Eagles always figure out the way to win a game. Bro, Eagles just lose a game. Damn. Before we react, sorry about that. Before we resume to the video, let me just show you guys a clip of my reaction when me and my Greta was watching the game. It's hilarious of me watching of Jake Elliott making the 59 bullshit field goal kick. Just see.
What?
Sherfield has come in for Diggs multiple times today, and it's kind of hurt with a couple of the miscommunication.
It has not worked out.
It's overtime. It's overtime.
Slips through a tackle and tries to get to the 40. It's going to be another third and about 6.
Right by the quarterback's legs.
Roughing the passer. Boy.
It was a personal foul. Now, I hate the Eagles, bro, but I don't want them to lose like this. Not like this. It was a 15-yard penalty for roughing the passer. I don't know if they're going to show it. I don't know if they're going to show it or not.
That'll take the football all the way to the 26-yard line.
And you've got
right there, right here.
Oh.
As a Cowboys fan, bro, I want the Eagles to lose, bro, but what the fuck is this? I want the Eagles to lose, but not like this. Are you serious, referees? You're gonna call this baby personal foul? Cause y'all want the Eagles to, bro, what? Y'all referees are shit. The fuck is this, bro? I didn't know this was flag football. What else are you supposed to do? What the fuck you supposed to do? Give Josh Allen a hug? The fuck you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? The fuck you supposed to do? Oh, tap him on the helmet and make sure he's okay? No, bro. It's football.
Here's the pass down the field for the win. And
this pissed me off right now. And I'm not even a fucking Bills fan, bro. This pissed me off right here, bro. This pissed me off. Bro, y'all choked, bro. You want to know what happened? Okay, now, shit happens. Shit happens. But look at this.
here's the pass.
Josh Allen didn't even get pressured that much. Josh Allen launched it. Now, this would have been a catch.
Down the field for
What the fuck are you doing, Gabe Davis? So it was a miscommunication, bro. They were saying it was a miscommunication, and that Gabe Davis should have ran. Josh Allen thought he was gonna run to the middle, whatever, or something like that. He was gonna go to this way, or whatever. Gabe Davis, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Okay. It's overtime. Touchdown wins it. If you would have caught this ball, this would have been a touchdown. Touchdown. Eagles lose. Y'all win. Y'all would have beat the Eagles. Are you serious, bro? What is with these teams? What is with these teams choking against the Eagles? What's going on? What the fuck is wrong with y'all other teams, bro? What's going on? Are y'all afraid of the Eagles? Are y'all afraid of them? Why can't y'all beat the Eagles, bro? Bro, the Eagles are beatable, bro. This is exactly how, bro, not exactly, bro, but the Chiefs literally choked against the Eagles, bro. All because that guy dropped a touchdown pass. All because Patrick Mahomes' wide receivers can't catch the ball because they ate Butterfingers before the game.
the win. And Davis and Allen.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Because Davis had separation. Pass from 40, and the kick is good.
That's like a target he broke. But I'd also want my target to be the 3-yard line.
He's going to keep it.
Great play call.
And he's going to run for about 9.
I'm not gonna even say nothing, bro. I let all my steam out, bro. The Bills defense was clamping. They were clamping. They were trying to clamp up Jalen Hurts.
There's your play action. There's your pass down the middle. And it's caught for a big gain by Devontae Smith.
This is where you fake this, and then he comes out and uses his legs.
Here's the pass. Smith with the first down.
Fuck.
He was wide open. First and 10. Here's Swift. He's got room. Swift slips through it.
What the fuck are the Bills doing? What the fuck are y'all doing? Can't even tackle DeAndre Swift, bro. You can't even. I know he's fast, bro, but that guy should have tackled him, bro. Keep it rolling, bro. Get me the fuck out of here, bro.
15-yard line.
My hands are
This
freezing.
would be a backbreaker for Buffalo fans, and this would be the pedigree of championship teams.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
That's the champion.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. I know I know for a damn fact you did not let Jalen. I know for a fact y'all did not let Jalen Hurts just run in for a touchdown like that. Y'all let Jalen Hurts do that to y'all, bro? Like that? Out of all that, he just ran a touchdown with ease. Oh my goodness, bro. Another close ass game. Another game that the Eagles should have lost, bro. The Eagles are escaping. They are escaping with a loss by the hairs of the chin. They barely beat the goddamn Bills. Now I'm not gonna sit up here and say the Bills are a bad team. They're actually a good team. They're just the Bills. They're just a shaky team, bro. Josh Allen, he turns the ball over every single goddamn game. What the fuck are we gonna do, bro? All these other teams that y'all have to go against the Eagles, bro. Or that have went against the Eagles, bro. What the fuck? No, everybody who isn't Eagle fans, bro. What the fuck can we do to beat the Eagles? What the fuck can we do? They beat the Dallas, bro. They beat Washington twice. They barely beat the damn Commanders, bro. Washington Commanders twice. And then they barely beat the damn Cowboys. They barely beat Kansas City. And they barely beat the Buffalo Bills. God damn. Y'all can't, bro. All of us choked against the Eagles. I don't give a damn what y'all Kansas City fans, Washington fans, Bill fans saying that, oh, we didn't choke. Yes, the fuck y'all did. All of y'all should have at least beat the Eagles. One of y'all should at least beat the Eagles. Now my Cowboys, we definitely should have beat the Eagles, but because Dak Prescott choking, or no, my Cowboys choked. It's not really Dak Prescott. And then Patrick Mahomes. Then you got Patrick Mahomes threw it right on the money. I don't remember his name, bruh, but he dropped a pass at the end zone. That should have been a touchdown. And then we got the Commanders, who can't even beat the Eagles not one time. The Eagles barely beat the Commanders twice. The Eagles, they're cutting it close. Their demise is coming, okay? I don't care what anyone tells me. They're going to lose another game. I don't know if maybe they won't, but I don't know. But they're going to lose another game. The Eagles are 10-1. They beat the Cowboys, they beat the Chiefs, and they just beat the Bills, man. God damn. There's not much, that's all I need to say, bro. Eagles, bro, y'all escape with another win, bro. Y'all know y'all a little bit lucky, right, bro? The Bills missed 2 fucking field goals that would have mattered in the game. Then Josh Allen threw a pass to Gabe Davis that he miscommunication, bro. Y'all know that, right? Another game y'all should have lost. Y'all Eagle fans want to say, oh, this dude is hating. Oh, bro, I'm gonna hate. I'm a Cowboys fan. I'm gonna hate on the Eagles. If all y'all viewers, bro, go in my comment section. Do y'all watch Boss Man Juan, bro? Y'all want to say that I'm a Eagles hater. Y'all might say that I'm a big Eagles fan, bro. Hater, bro. Listen, go watch Boss Man Juan. Y'all watch Boss Man Juan, right? He hates the Eagles so much. Oh, when he watched this game. Now, when he uploads this video of the Eagles, of this game, of this highlight, bro, oh, he's going to hate on the Eagles. I know he is, bro. That's going to be hilarious, bro. That dude literally hates the Eagles a lot more. Way more than me. Way more than anyone else. He hates the Eagles and he hates the Cowboys. And that's fine. He's a Commander fan. But that's because the Commanders, they suck. They're ass, okay? But anyway, the Eagles move on from 10-1, bro. I don't know, bro. I know the Eagles are gonna go to the Super Bowl, bro, but their demise is coming, bro. I don't know. But I don't know. Make sure you guys like and subscribe though. And Bills, bro, y'all ass. Y'all ass as fuck. Y'all so ass, okay? Let's get that clear though. Y'all ass, bro. Y'all can say shit about my Cowboys, bro. Y'all are more ass than us, bro. I'm gonna keep it real. Y'all, and then y'all Eagle fans want to say my Cowgirls are, your Cowgirls are trash though. You're a Cowboys fan. You're a Cowgirls fan. Oh, your team's a bum, whatever though. Like, bro, I really don't give a shit. I know my team is ass. I know my team is not good. I know we're not gonna do shit in the playoffs. Okay. Eagles, y'all got the win, bro. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, bro. Let's get up and I really appreciate you guys for getting me up to 300 subscribers, though. We're like 290 something subscribers, bro. Let's get up to 350. Can we make that possible? And make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we're out of here.